What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm just gonna be replacing my RBC throttle body adapter. I have a K2 one right now, but like I told you guys in the last video, I actually 3 of the threads in them, like 3 bolts of them I guess. They were stripped when I bought the RBC. So pretty much right now I'm just only running 3 bolts, which I'm pretty sure that's why I'm leaking a little bit, because my idle is kind of like jumping right now. And I did buy a new gasket and everything too, and it's still kind of idling weird, so I'm pretty sure that's the reason why my idle's been weird. But either way, my car still runs fine too, but I just wanted to upgrade to hybrid racing since I have all the hybrid racing stuff too. So yeah, let me show you guys what I got. So shout out to hybrid racing, I got myself the 64mm adapter. Just the adapter. And it comes with these hardware too, the plugs, so for you don't need to use a map. I actually got a unplug from this store whatever other day. It works okay, but I'd rather get the one from RBC. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best to show you guys the process of like replacing it. It's pretty much just unplugging these sensors right here. I think last time I unplugged where I took off the throttle cables. I don't know, I think I can get away with it without doing it because it is a pain to put it back on. But yeah. Alright everyone, I got the hybrid racing adapter on. Sorry I didn't go through on how to do it, but it's pretty straightforward. Just 4 bolts or 4 hex bolt, I guess if you want to call it. It's just a matter of just like finessing the intake. I hate putting the intake back on because RBC, the way it's angled, and like the intake doesn't really sit flush with like the PRB one was, or like the PRB manifold does. But it can work. It's just really close. My intake's kind of fucked up, so it's like really close, so it's whatever. But it can happen, or it can, you know. Anyways, I'm gonna just start up the car. Hopefully the idle's fine, and yeah. All right, guys, it's a cold start. Hopefully it goes well and it doesn't idle like crap. So. Trick of like trying to see that ISTV whatever. Sounds fine. Let's see it warm up. So look at my AFR, I'm running pretty rich for idle, but it's pretty much like normal for idle, for rich. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my temp to go up so I can see how the idle is. Cause usually when I drive it for a while, I'll like gas on it a little bit, and it kind of surges a little bit. But other than that, like it still drives fine. It just maybe it's not fixed, but we'll see. Alright, the temp's at 162. It's almost operating. I mean, operating is like 190, I think, or 180. But I don't know. I have a question for you guys. If you guys comment down below, if the injectors, or let me know if the injectors like supposed to sound like this. They're kind of ticking, kind of loud, but I don't know. Asking them homies, they said it's like the ticking noise of the injectors is like normal, the loudness for the K series. So I don't know. Comment down below if you guys have the same like, I'm not trouble, but like just if you guys relate to it, comment down below. Let me know so I won't feel it. That like the injectors, whatever. Yeah, 156. It's like, I don't know, it's on and off the idling. I mean, right now, let me see, mine was like 900 RPM idle. Before it'd be like 1,000, like 1,100 around there. And then it dropped down back to 800, like sometimes at like a stop or whatever. So, I don't know. I'll probably take it like a little test drive in a bit, but yeah, I think it should be okay. Yeah, it still howls pretty high. That's unfortunate. I'm pretty sure it's my IACV valve, the idle control valve, whatever it's called. my issue was not solved. I don't know. It's whatever. I'll probably live with it. If anything, I might have to get like a new manifold gasket because I didn't replace that one. So I don't know. I mean, that's about it. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's this. Maybe I have to recalibrate the TPS. I don't know. If you guys could help, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about what I should do. What could be the problem? I feel like maybe it's the ISCV valve or whatever it is I need to clean out. I'm not too sure. Or maybe it's this gasket screw here, or this gasket between the adapter and the actual manifold itself. I'm not sure. I don't know, but I have plans with the homies later on today too, so I might vlog that. The homie Hmong actually got Flash Pro. Man, everybody's trying to get fast nowadays. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in a bit. And I don't know, I might just probably like leave it like this. It doesn't really bother me that much, like I said earlier, but whatever. So I guess I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, we're at Hmong's place. Hmong, you want to tell what happened to your car?
The cord?
No, oh no. No, your car.
Oh.
Yeah.
What happened to it?
Yeah, the Civic. Yeah.
Oh.
that happened.
Well, basically, my master cylinder blew on me on the highway, so I was in the middle lane. I stepped on clutch. There's a weird sticking point. I couldn't push past it. Pushed past it anyways, loud pop, and then yeah, clutch went out. That was all fucked up.
Unfortunate, bro. Unfortunate. But yeah, yo, you want to show me what else you got for your Civic, or you keep it low key?
What else I got? I mean, it don't matter.
It don't matter anymore.
Yeah, it don't matter.
Well, my boy officially is fast car. But yeah, we're gonna install his master snare slavery thing, and yeah, get my boy back on the road. All good. All right, guys, we got Hmong's Civic back up. We did a hybrid racing clutch thing, and we're loading up the map for him. We finna tune, you know what I'm saying? The patent tuner at Benny.
I'm bright as
pretty cool. Yeah. What's up, everyone? This is like a couple weeks after the hangout I did with my boys. My homie Hmong's SI is finally good now. I forgot to update you guys now. But basically, for my idle issue, I pretty much kind of solved it. So pretty much, I got new gaskets ready for the daughter body and stuff, and like it worked a little bit more. But I guess like Honda has this thing where it has like a thin layer of like not silicone, but like a thin layer of something that like prevents the throttle body butterfly to like not leak and have air in there, I guess. And so it seals it off. And I freaking used the carb cleaner and cleaned all the throttle body, and I pretty much, you know, made it even worse. But I didn't know, like in theory, you would think that cleaning the throttle body with carb cleaner would make the throttle or the idle better. I looked on forums. That shout out to my homie Brandon for looking around for me too. But my homie Brandon read on forums that I guess this one guy had a solution where he used this stuff called dry moly lube, whatever, and he sprayed it on the throttle body butterfly, and it actually like helped out with the idle issue. Anyways, I got myself some new transmission fluid, Torco. These are RTF ones. I want to try these out because the Honda transmission fluid, is like thin layer, I guess. So I want to see which or how good Torco is. So yeah, and I want to make my synchros feel better too, I guess. Like my trans feels kind of weird right now. So yeah, I'm gonna check that out real quick. Alright guys, the GoPro's about to die, but if you guys watching this all the way to the end, thank you guys. A review with the Torco transmission fluid, it feels better. It's just that my transmission is like getting old, so it's like, you know, the sync was pretty going out. But I do plan on, you know, rebuilding trans and stuff. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like and comment, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.